So, you've heard the buzz about Vivid Money? It's the flashy new fintech app promising personalized banking experiences, cashback rewards, and a whole lot more. But is it really safe to trust your hard-earned money with this colorful app? Let's dive a little deeper. Vivid Money is a German fintech company that offers a mobile banking app. It's designed to make your financial life easier, more fun, and more rewarding. But, like any new financial tool, it's natural to have questions about its security. Addressing safety concerns. Is my money safe? Licensed and regulated, Vivid Money is licensed and regulated by the BaFin, Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, in Germany. This means it operates under strict financial regulations, ensuring the safety of your funds. Partner banks. Your money is held in partner banks, which are regulated institutions. This provides an additional layer of security. Encryption and security measures. Vivid employs advanced encryption techniques to protect your personal and financial information. Data privacy. GDPR compliance. As a European company, Vivid adheres to the stringent data protection regulations of the GDPR. This means your data is handled responsibly and securely. Transparent data practices. Vivid is transparent about its data collection and usage practices. You can review their privacy policy to understand exactly how your data is used. Customer support. Responsive support team. Vivid offers customer support through various channels, including email and in-app chat. They are generally responsive and helpful in resolving issues. The verdict: is Vivid Money safe? Based on its regulatory compliance, strong security measures, and commitment to data privacy, Vivid Money appears to be a safe and reliable option for many users. However, it's essential to exercise caution and conduct thorough research before making any financial decisions. Additional tips for safe usage. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Be mindful of phishing attempts. Be wary of suspicious emails or messages that may try to trick you into revealing your login credentials. Keep your app updated. Ensure you have the latest version of the Vivid app to benefit from the latest security patches and improvements. While Vivid Money offers a host of exciting features, it's crucial to prioritize your financial security. By understanding the risks and taking necessary precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of this innovative app with peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.